welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sarah. I'm a pregnant mama of 2. My son AJ just turned 1, and Ari back there is turning 3 in a few weeks. So we are in Tuba, Arizona. I believe it's called Tuba. I hope it's called Tuba. Yeah, so we're in Arizona. We are flying the drone around this beautiful reserve. It's a dinosaur little trail we're going on, and we're having a good time. Look at the drone is following me. I don't know if you can see it right there. It is beautiful out here and it feels amazing. The weather is to die for. It's very comfortable. The air just feels so good. It's just so beautiful out here. Beautiful. Beautiful mountains. Just the scenery in general is just beautiful. Hey guys. Baby brother's enjoying a little snack right now. So yeah, Ari's a little scared of the drone. Whoa, Ari, you're so tall. How'd you get up there? Oh, here's a...
This is a dinosaur that's lying down. This is supposed to be the head area over here.
Oh,
and
okay.
This is the rib cage.
The rib cage, wow.
Yeah.
I see it, okay. Pretty cool.